Welcome back to The Explainer. Today, we've got something seriously exciting for all you engineers out there. We're doing a total career teardown. We're looking at a highly sought-after role currently open at Mergin Corporates Private Limited. We're going to break down their automotive design and mechanical engineer profile and literally translate that job description into a clear, actionable blueprint for your career. So if you want to know exactly what top-tier automotive recruiters are hunting for right now, well, you're in exactly the right place. Now, are you ready to design the future of transit? Because let me tell you, this isn't just about sitting at a desk, tweaking standard, boring parts. No way. This role at Merging Corporates is a massive opportunity to leave a tangible mark on the automotive industry. We're talking heavy-duty vehicles, trucks, and full-scale transit buses. You aren't just taking a job here. You're taking on the responsibility of shaping how people and goods actually move in the future. Pretty cool, right? Okay, let's dive into this roadmap. We've broken this opportunity down into 5 key areas. Number 1, the destination. 2, your daily mission. 3, the technical arsenal. 4, experience and eligibility. And finally, number 5, the payoff. Let's kick things off with Section 1, the destination, landing in the automotive hub. You know, where you work is often just as important as what you do. And that brings us straight to Pune. This is a full-time, permanent position based right in the heart of Pune, India. And why does that actually matter? Well, because Pune isn't just any city. It's a massive, thriving epicenter for the entire automotive industry. It's literally home to giants like Tata Motors, Mahindra & Mahindra, Bajaj Auto, alongside just a huge network of OEMs and suppliers. Being based here, it means you're placing yourself at the absolute center of automotive innovation and networking. It's pretty much the perfect ecosystem to supercharge your engineering career. All right, moving right along to Section 2, your daily mission, designing the future. So what are you actually doing day to day? As a design and mechanical engineer at Mergin Corporates, your responsibilities are going to be rigorous and highly specialized. You'll be heavily involved in 3D CAD modeling and assembly design. But here's the really fascinating part. A major focus of this role is on transit buses. You'll be mapping out the structural layout, planning a passenger space, and designing both the interior and exterior. Think everything from seating systems and dashboards right down to exterior styling and body panels. And depending on the specific project, you'll also be getting into the absolute nitty-gritty of cable and pipe routing, as well as designing critical chassis components. It's a true end-to-end vehicle engineering role. Let's look at Section 3, the technical arsenal, your required toolkit. Now, what's really interesting about this is the perfect contrast between the dual software capabilities you're expected to bring to the table. On the one hand, you've got CATIA V5. That's your heavy lifter for 3D modeling, surface modeling, and complex assembly design, which is absolutely crucial for automotive product development. But on the flip side, you also need AutoCAD for your 2D drafting, creating those traditional mechanical drawings and layout preparation. You essentially need to be just as comfortable shaping a complex 3D bus body surface as you are drafting a highly precise 2D layout for the manufacturing floor. And hey, speaking of the manufacturing floor, you absolutely must know GD&T. That stands for Geometric, Dimensioning, and Tolerancing. Think of this as the universal language of precision manufacturing. It's a strict drawing standard used to control engineering tolerances and dimensions. So why is this in your toolkit? Because let's be real, designing a great part on a computer screen means absolutely nothing if the manufacturing team can't reliably build it in the real world. GD&T ensures that your complex chassis and body part designs are manufactured with total quality and precision. Right alongside GD&T, the company really highlights the need to understand BOM, the bill of materials. The job posting specifically notes build of materials, which translates to this critical documentation process. This is exactly how you track materials, list every single component, and document the overall product structure. When you're designing something as massive as a full transit bus, keeping an accurate, meticulous BOM is basically what keeps the entire engineering and production process organized and, crucially, on budget. Which brings us to Section 4, experience and eligibility. Do you have what it takes? The magic number here is 3+. Mergin Corporates is explicitly looking for candidates with at least 3 years of practical, hands-on experience in automotive or mechanical design. This isn't just some theoretical requirement. They need engineers who have already been in the trenches of product engineering, particularly dealing with vehicle components and body design. And the requirements here elegantly illustrate a pretty clear divide. For the experienced candidates watching, those of you with backgrounds in mechanical or automobile engineering, you are validated. If you've got those 3 years, you know your CATIA V5, your GD&T, and you've touched vehicle body or plastic design, you are ready to apply right now. On the flip side, for the freshers tuning in, well, you're likely not eligible for this specific position just yet. But hey, don't tune out. Use this explainer as a definitive roadmap for yourself. Now you know exactly which skills, like CATIA, AutoCAD, and GD&T, you need to stack up over the next few years to unlock this exact tier of your career. Finally, Section 5, the payoff and application, your next steps. Let's talk compensation. The estimated salary range for an automotive design engineer with 3+ years of experience in Pune typically sits between 4.5 to 8.5 lakhs per annum. However, it's highly noted that if you come to the table incredibly strong in CATIA V5 and you pair that with specialized experience in bus, truck, or plastic design, that salary can absolutely push higher. Plus, since this is a full-time role, it comes with fixed salary stability and company employment benefits, depending on their specific policies, of course. So the crucial point is, how do you execute on this? Well, here are your precise tactical instructions. Step 1, tailor your resume right now to loudly highlight your CATIA V5 skills, your mastery of GD&T, and clearly showcase those 3+ years of automotive design experience. Step 2, email that resume directly to ravi.shankar@mergincorp.com. And step 3, for a direct, proactive follow-up, you can reach out via phone at +91 970 555 9396. Seriously, don't wait around on this one if you're qualified. Which leaves us with one final essential question for you. Will you answer the call to engineer the future of transit? You have the blueprint, you know the destination, the tools, and the requirements. Now it's completely up to you to take action. If you found this breakdown valuable, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for regular updates on roles exactly like this one. Drop a comment below with any suggestions or if you're open to collaborations. Until next time, keep learning, keep designing, and take charge of your engineering career.